We're so hella excited. Why? Because everyone's obsessed with these Deweytree's face masks in South Korea, but do they actually work? Let's test them out. Hey everyone, this is Hannah and Lena. By the way, we're not using our voices at the moment, but in the next video. Okay, so we got Deweytree's Viral Pick and Quick masks. This one's for nourishing, and this one's for makeup perfecting. Let's see if they're worth hype. We're going to use it for the next 15 days and review it in our Instagram story, so do follow our Instagram. Link is in the description. Okay, so this one's nourishing mask, and it contains collagen and ceramide. Wait, really? Collagen and ceramide is a really great duo for improving hydration, strengthening the skin barrier, and potentially addressing signs of aging if you're over age 20. By the way, no cap, I'm trying it really soon. And yes, these masks are free from 20 harsh ingredients that cause irritations. Okay, the second one we've got is Perfect Makeup Mask, which exfoliates and removes all the dead skin, which can make your skin brighter, and plus it's for moisture care, won't leave your skin dry. But we can't say this until we've tried it, I know, right? Can y'all see the serum it contains? That's a lot. I guess it is going to be worth it. So the main purpose is that this mask will give you a glowy skin after you've done makeup. So you're gonna use it before makeup for 3 minutes, no more, no less. By the way, it says it's good for every skin type, but I don't think so. Don't worry. After all, we both, Hannah and Lena, gonna test this, and the truth will come out. By the way, this was a really short video, but more videos are gonna be drop dead amazing. So hit that subscribe button, and stay tuned. Trust me, more videos will be worth the time.